Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. In today's video, Xiao and I are at the Maurice River Bluffs Nature Reserve, and I've actually never been here before, and my parents had never heard of it. One of my cousins, her husband and her came here, I guess a few weeks ago, and they really liked it. And yeah, it's really close to my house. It's only like a 20-minute drive away, and even just the entrance is really nice. It's in the middle of this pine forest. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out, and hopefully it's as beautiful as they said. So far it's looking pretty good, so let's go check it out. This reminds me of another place not too far from here that I used to go running all the time. These sandy pine trails. Yeah, this is spent most of my teens and 20s running in habitats and landscapes that looks just like this. So it's really nice to come here and have it bring back those memories. As you know, if you've watched any of my videos, I'm a runner. I run to relax. That might sound strange to some people, but those people who run know exactly what I mean. And running in a place like this makes it even better because it just smells good, it's shaded, the ground is soft, and it's not flat, which if the surface is the same for your whole run, it's a quick way to end up with an injury. You need to mix it up. So soft sand like this is perfect. Powdery sand, South Jersey sand. It's great. I love it. Look at this. So this reserve is quite big. There are a few different trails we can walk on, but I want to take the one that takes us to the river because yeah, I like water, and I think it's probably more beautiful over there, but Xiao is afraid of the sun. How do you feel?
Ooh.
A little bit hot, but it's good for you. Get that vitamin D.
很多啦。
You can see the river now. So one of my friends from high school, his family has a house on this river a bit further down. It's actually not on this river, it's on a smaller river, but where they live is like right where that river connects with this river. It's down over there somewhere. And they used to take us out on the boat and pull us on this like sled on the water, and our father would like turn the boat and try to knock us off. He was always successful. Once you're going really fast, it's impossible to hold on. But just further north of here is a city called Millville, and there's a lake in that city called Union Lake. They dammed part of this river and created this huge lake. I mean, that was like probably 150 years ago. It's a massive lake, and I used to belong to a sailing club there when I was a kid. Oh, you can see on that map. I'll show you on the map. So right now we are here. My friend in high school, his family has a house like here on this little river, just south of here. And then further to the north, you can see Union Lake, and it's Millville. My hometown is up there, Vineland. You can't really see it on this map. But this river goes all the way down to the Delaware Bay. Beautiful South Jersey. Like to have a boat like that one day? I think he's going fishing, but having a boat like that is really nice.
我也想要去 fishing.
It's nice. Fishing here, there's not a lot of people. You really can just relax and be totally alone. Video. You're too close to me. You can sit here.
Oh, it's wet.
加油
哎呀，
！After you.
我累了。
Squirrel.
小松鼠。
You were just quite startled there by that little squirrel. Did you think it was the Jersey Devil? Yeah, see, this is a bluff. Xiao, this is a bluff. See how it suddenly just drops off? That's what a bluff is.
What?
Right here, like the ground just drops off to the river. That's a bluff.
就像一条蛇。
Looks like it, but it's just a stick. I was just telling her that there are bears here. There are black bears, but they're not so common, and if there were like a dangerous female bear, black bear here, they would have signs telling us to beware and also telling us not to bring food with us, because the food is what attracts the bears. Like they have been known to attack, but it's not something that's common in South Jersey. But in places where black bears exist, the females have been known to attack people if there is a baby there, protecting their baby. So that's a bluff. Yeah, that's like 10 meters. There's a good view here. Feiji. What did you see just there?
蜥蜴，我不知道中文应该叫什么。
Some sort of lizard.
本来以为是只小鸟。
It sounded like one at first, but then I saw it running. Very quick. Great camouflage too. Like I wouldn't have seen it if I didn't see it move. You couldn't see it, right? Its skin and the tree bark were like the same color. Perfect camouflage.
说不定是变色龙。
Maybe.
是那个会变
Chameleon?
颜色的那个。
Maybe. I don't know. I'll have to look up what kinds of lizards and stuff live in this forest.
这让我想起来我们在清迈的时候。
On that hill? I kind of think this forest is nicer than that forest.
不一样。
Yeah, very different, but maybe I'm biased because I grew up in this kind of forest, but
我就觉得这地儿更好。
even though this place is quite beautiful, it's not like an uncommon type of place in South Jersey, like a place on a river with a nice forest. So it's not a place that would probably get very busy ever, which is what I really like about South Jersey. Is there's a lot of places like this, so you can just come and relax. It's not going to be mobbed with people, you know, ever probably. 如果大家喜欢这种视频，你可以点个赞，然后你也可以关注我们的频道，对吧？小荣，你说一下。
点赞、评论、关注、转发，听到了吗？
We're just walking and there's a nice beehive here. Look at that thing.
说不定已经是空的啦。
Maybe.
说不定已经是空的啦。
Maybe. You can break a hole in the bottom and find out. You want to try?
我不要。
You can throw this water bottle. I can't speak English. Throw this water bottle into the bottom and see what happens. Oh, look at that.
哦，有。
Yep. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Look at them. Oh, wow. You can see them on this side. There's a lot. See, most people think that New Jersey is just tons of people and industry and kind of a bad place. But really, the majority of New Jersey looks like this. But as my one professor from my university used to say, let them all think that, because we don't want them to come and move here anyway. So if they want to think that New Jersey's really crappy and just full of industry and people and whatever, that's fine. Stay where you live, and we can enjoy this place without them, because New Jersey is quite beautiful. Yeah, look at that. see what the map says.
你要走最远的路吗？
Yeah. This is a big short-leaf pine. Look at this guy. Sharong, stand next to that tree so you can get some, oh, there's a lizard. Can compare. Stand there. Big boy. Yeah. Here comes another boat. What's that, jet ski? This is a nice place. This is a nice place to have a picnic. That looks fun. There's like a little well right there. Yeah. Oh, it's so cool. No, I won't. I mean, maybe you could, but I don't think you can. But it feels really nice. Touch it. Feels really good. I mean, it's probably clean, but I wouldn't, you know, I wouldn't drink it unless we really had to. Feels nice, right? Really good. Yeah. Can you put some on the back of my neck? Feels good.
冰冰的。
All right, we are 2 hours into this walk now. Getting pretty thirsty. Don't have any water left. So hopefully we'll be back at the car in probably 20 minutes. What do you think? I'm not sure. I think we're almost back. How do you feel?
希望我们的车还在那儿。
I think it will be. Don't worry. But yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. I mean, it's warm, but because we're in the forest, it's shaded. Doesn't feel that bad, but we're both getting pretty thirsty, so just slowly make our way back and sit in the car and have a nice drink of cold water. What do you think?
想吃西瓜。
There's no watermelon in the car, so I'll have to wait till we get home for that. We made it back. How do you feel? Stop my
2个半小时。
yeah. All right, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know we really enjoyed this trail. It was really amazing. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below if you have anything to say, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Thank